my fireworks stash for 2017 part 2, as promised. I'll start right off. Got some of the blue cans, which obviously I had to test out, and 2 boxes of the orange cans, and still got the fireworks, or the firecracker stash there. If you saw my previous video, you already saw that stuff, or you can see it as a recap. And I got the double breakers here. Tried some of them out already. Got a couple of smoke blasters. They're pretty nice for like $2, I think. Like a daytime smoke. Got a little rocket assault deal thing there. That's just kind of a novelty thing. So on to the cakes, which I didn't really show. I got 3 of the Area 51s and 2 of the Sky Devils. I haven't tried any of these yet, but I heard they're really good. I got 1 Bad Company. Most of you guys probably know what most of these do. 1 Eye of the Beholder. I'm excited for that one. It's a great cake. The Sucker Punch was like a buy one get one, so I had it pitched in. Then I have 1 Demon Eyes. I'm not totally sure what the finishing is on this. Crackling Red and Green Tail to Demonic Possession. I got 1 Complaint Department. 16 shots. Got 1 Lights Out. And 16 shots. I got 2 of these roundups. The store I was at actually had these are buy one get one free as well, I think. Like $10 each. I haven't tried those yet either. But they're pretty heavy cake. Got 1 New Blood. It's also really great cake. If I can move some of this. Got 1 Nightlighter. Also another good one. I got this cake. I don't know anything about it. Heavy hitter. 10 shots. Yeah. I don't really know anything about it, to be honest. But I got it because it looked pretty neat and it wasn't too expensive. So I guess we'll see. And then I got 1 Big Boom. I'm pretty sure this is just like, you can see here. Yeah, I thought it was a daytime when I bought it, but I'm pretty sure it's not a daytime. I'm pretty sure it's for the night. We got 1 Medusa's Revenge. And I got some of these silver-topped rockets. I don't have a ton of canister shells this year. Not a crap ton anyway, but I got a box of Zombies Revenge. I think they're 2015 version. 1 Hammer Time. That's just a decent little cake. 1 Hand of Doom by Pyro. Shop owner said that they were really, really good for 200 grams, so figured I'd check one out. This is one I'm really excited for. Zombie Tsunami. I actually couldn't really find anything on this cake, but the shop owner said it was a really good one. Really impressive. I got Mongolian by Pyro. This is obviously a great cake. Rob at Pyronation's done a lot of, or has done demos on that. Very great. And the Snowblind and Creeping Death. those were like a buy one get one as well, so hard to beat. Pyro Demon does great stuff. These great pumpkins were like buy 3 for like $10 or something. They're actually not too bad for just a little cake. Some leftover shells. Zombie's Revenge. So we got one Skybuster and one Earth Shaker. Some leftover Pyro Demon shells. And then just like a box of miscellaneous leftover stuff. These rockets, I'm pretty sure they're a rewrap. They hit really well. Yeah. So that's it, guys. That's my stash for 2017. I'm really looking forward to the upcoming 4th, and I hope all of you guys have a safe one and an excellent one as well.